Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 4, The Magic Ring or the Magic Loop. Now that you are familiar with the slip knot and the chain stitches, let's take a step up and learn the magic ring. The magic ring, marked with the abbreviation MR, is a technique used in crochet to create a tightly closed center for projects when working in the round. For instance, amigurumis, hats, coasters, etc. An alternate method for the magic ring is the chain 2 method, where you start by chaining 2 and work stitches into the second chain from your hook. Although it is suitable for beginners, there are some slight differences compared to the magic ring. The main difference you will see is that in the chain 2 method, this center hole is not properly closed, and when stuffing the piece, the stuffing can be visible. However, the magic ring has a tightly closed center and is pretty simple if you get the hang of it. Now that you have learned some tips on the magic ring, let's learn how to do it. Step 1. Making sure that the tail end of the yarn is facing downwards, pinch the tail end with your pinky and ring finger. Take the working yarn and wrap it around your index and middle finger twice, forming an egg shape on the bottom of your fingers and 2 parallel lines on the back. Step 2. Put the working yarn between your pinky and ring finger, like so, and pinch it in to hold it in place. Step 3. Making sure that the back of your hand is facing towards you, use your crochet hook to go under the second bar, hook over the first bar and pull it under, and twist it to make a loop. Step 4. Finally, go over the second bar, hook onto the first bar and pull it through the loop that you just made, making sure that it is locked in with a chain stitch. Now gently pull it off of your fingers and you are done. And that is how you make the magic ring. Now to adjust it so that you get proper grip, pull this tail end as much as you want, making sure that the ring is not too long or not too short. Let me just work a few stitches into the magic ring so that you know how it is done. Once you are done working stitches into the magic ring, pull this tail end to close the ring, making sure that you don't pull it too tight, otherwise you might end up breaking the yarn. Make sure to crochet around the tail end in your next round to help keep the magic ring closed. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for chapter 5, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.